Hello and welcome to Community Chats. Today on the show we're talking all things cost savings. So Rob, a customer comes to you and they want to reduce their bill. What can they do?
So I see my customers reduce their bill in a few different ways. Sometimes it's just choosing the right service for the job. Sometimes, you might have chosen the wrong database when you were initially creating your service, or maybe you realize that your workloads run infrequently and you want to switch to a different model like serverless that takes advantage of these infrequent workloads. This is a really easy way to cut down on your bill, because if you're using the services ineffectively, you're going to be paying more. The other way is actually changing the way that they do billing. Sometimes customers have been using our services for a while and they realize, hey, I'm paying for the same on-demand EC2 instance month after month after month. And there are different billing models that let you take advantage of, these known factors. You can commit to an upfront payment and say, for the next 3 years, I know I'm going to be using this. The next 1 year, I know I'm going to be using this, and really reduce your costs.
So what proactive steps can a customer take to reduce their bill?
So one of the proactive steps a customer can take is actually setting up billing alarms. Billing alarms are one of the most useful services that you can actually take advantage of within AWS, because they help you notify your internal teams when things maybe are going not the way you think they are. So for example, if you have a monthly billing amount that you are expecting to pay, you can set up an alert to go to your finance team to say, hey, we passed the monthly billing threshold. You can set an alert to go to your ops team too to say, why have we passed the monthly billing threshold? And it can really allow you to investigate these incidents in real time. And sometimes that saves you money. Sometimes you've spent up more resources than you thought you did. And it can save you money if you know ahead of time, rather than saying at the end of the month, like, what is this?
Well, talking on that, if you do get a surprise bill, what can you do?
Your account team is a really great resource here. So I help a lot of customers who, maybe have configured something incorrectly. And they need to know, hey, how can I optimize my workload? How can I make sure this doesn't happen again? And talk to their account team to figure out, well, how can we reduce costs in the long term? What kind of long-term conversations can we have about how to best use AWS?
And lastly, what can a customer do to utilize a solution architect like yourself?
So the account team is, again, the gateway into actually getting in touch with someone like me. And what I do in these situations is usually sit down and look at the way that you're actually using your tech, the goals you have, and we have a lot of different services, so I can help point you in the right direction if you maybe didn't hear one of our What's New announcements.
Thank you so much, Rob. See you next time. Bye.